Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you. If you make that simple mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chrysler 300, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2024. If you need to find where the AC compressor fuse is located, which fuses you need to check, multiple fuses, we will explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So guys, before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, that way we can keep making these free videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff guys. And if you need to buy cheap parts and tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below. Guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So guys, the AC compressor fuses, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this generation Chrysler 300 right here. By the way guys, you have many fuse boxes in that Chrysler 300, more than one. Most people do not know where they're located. We recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Chrysler 300. What you guys need to do, open the hood, and when you open the hood, facing the engine on the left side here guys, okay, on the passenger side you have a fuse box. Under that cover, press these two tabs, open the cover, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist guys, so you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find guys a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So guys, here we need to check 2 fuses, then we need to go to a different fuse box and check 3 more, so make sure you stand till the end. We want to share one good advice with you, that way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. The first fuse that we need to check, starting that way, that's fuse 9, 10, 11, 12. Fuse number 12 right here is the one that you need to check. Then you need to check fuse number 39, the one right there. After that, you need to open the trunk. In the trunk, that's a carpet liner. Lift it up. Underneath you have the spare tire, your car battery. Behind the car battery you have a fuse box, that's a closer look. Now that's the fuse box here, that's a spare tire, and that's the car battery right here. Press that tab, open the cover, you have another fuse box. Here specifically we need to check fuse number 15, right there. After that guys, okay, here things are a little bit confusing, but after that 25 amp fuse, that's fuse 31. On the next one you have one blue fuse right here. That's we took a bad picture, but it's the first 15 amp fuse. That's 32 and that's 33, so you need to check fuse number 32. Then you need to check fuse number guys 53, the one right here will need to be checked as well. So guys, that generation Chrysler 300 has all kinds of different size of fuses, guys. You can see different fuses, relays. That's the engine fuse box, that's the trunk fuse box. Those could be really hard to find, some of them, guys. And if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a replacement, you cannot get one, you may be stuck, guys. So we will recommend to buy some, put in the glove box for peace of mind, keep some spare ones. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video was helpful, guys. Thank you for watching, see you next time.